Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings, then tap Sound and Vibration. This is where Realme centralizes haptics. Once done, scan the list for touch vibration or haptic feedback. You want to turn that toggle off to stop system-level taps. Make sure to keep the phone unlocked while you change settings, because some menus hide options when the screen is locked. Turning off touch vibration immediately cuts most navigation buzz, so do that now. And then we'll check navigation-specific controls in the next step. Next, head to Buttons and Gestures or System Navigation. This menu governs how your gestures and buttons behave. If you use gesture navigation, find gesture haptics or navigation vibrations and switch them off. This stops the vibration when you swipe. If you use a navigation bar, look for a separate bar vibration option and disable it. Once changed, test by swiping or tapping the nav bar. You should feel no buzz. If you still feel vibration, make sure accessibility vibration settings aren't re-enabling it. Finish by restarting the phone. Some toggles need a reboot to clear cached behavior. Once restarted, test navigation again. If vibration stopped, you're done. If it persists, update Color OS or Realme UI because older builds sometimes ignore haptic settings. Make sure to try Safe Mode to rule out third-party apps, and as a last resort, reset system settings only. That preserves data but clears customized toggles. Troubleshooting tip: if vibration still returns, boot into Safe Mode and check recent apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.